Hello once again, my friends, and welcome to yet another episode of Tony's Comfort Kitchen, the home of comfort food. Now today I'm doing yet another pasta dish, and I've done quite a few, but it's my favourite food. And today I'm cooking a carbonara. Now then, I'm not doing a traditional carbonara, I'm doing a non-traditional carbonara. Instead of using pancetta or guanciale, I'm going to be using a very trendy ingredient, or it seems to be anyway. I'm using Nduja. Now if you don't know what Nduja is, it is a spicy, spreadable Italian sausage from southern Italy. There's a lot of S's there. Spicy, spreadable sausage, southern Italy, anyway. And it's absolutely delightful, and it seems to be used everywhere on television, the trendy chefs on television and in trendy restaurants and what have you. So I had to join in, didn't I? I had to join in. Yes, Nduja is a spicy, spreadable sausage, and it is quite spicy actually. It uses chilies, or certainly hot peppers. It's similar to the Spanish sobrasada, I think, and that's the fact that it's sobrasada is a spicy, spreadable sausage as well. But I think that's more like chorizo than Nduja. But anyway, it's wonderful. It's extremely tasty, and so let's get on and cook it. Okay, so first things first, I have a pan of water starting to boil. Now we'll put, in this case I have it's 200 grams of tagliatelle in there, and it is tagliatelle, not tagliatelle. You don't pronounce the G. Sorry, I'm a bit OCD on that. We'll dump a load of salt in there, as usual, and let that cook away. Okay, so that pasta is cooked actually very quickly because it was fairly fresh pasta. So a little bit of olive oil in the frying pan. Okay, with the oil heating up, we're now going to add around about 100 grams of this wonderful Nduja. Some people pronounce it Nduja. I think they should be Nduja. Ooh, smoky. Look at the colour from this sausage. It's an incredible colour, but you've got to be careful because if you get this on your skin, it stains. If you get it on your clothes, oh God, be careful. It hardly takes any cooking at all. We just want to break it down and make it more of a kind of a sauce, I guess. Ooh, a lot of smoke. And believe it or not, that is enough cooking for the sausage. I'm now going to get the pasta, put it in. Continue to cook it. A very simple dish, and we're not finished yet. We're going to put the eggs and the cheese in yet as well. I'm just going to put a little bit of the cooking liquor in as well. Bring it all together. Look at that colour in this. Oh my good God. It is incredible. Okay, that pasta's cooked. Now what we're going to do very important, is we turn it off the heat and let it cool down slightly, because we're going to add in some raw eggs and cheese. If we put it in now, we'll just end up with scrambled eggs. So while that's cooling down, I've got 2 eggs in a jam jar here, and I have 20 grams of pecorino cheese. If you don't have pecorino, you can use parmesan. Mix them in, put the lid on, give it a good shake. You don't have to do it in a jam jar, it's just I chose to do it. Okay, so it's been a couple of minutes now, and it should be okay to add the eggs. So the eggs and the cheese. And now it's just a case of mixing it all up. Oh, man, this just looks so damn colourful. And that basically is the dish. Extremely simple. I've just had a bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, although I think it's peppery enough as it is. Okay, my friends, I'm going to give this a go. It looks very colourful, and I imagine it's going to be quite spicy. Ooh. Wow, yeah. It's not what you expect from an Italian sausage. It is quite spicy. I like spicy food, but it's not something I've come to expect with an Italian pasta dish, you know. But this is lovely. It's got lovely aftertaste, lingering sort of heat to it. Oh, it's gorgeous. This is tops. I mean, it may not be traditional carbonara, but it's worth giving a go. I'll tell you, it's a lot tastier than a traditional carbonara. Completely different, but well worth giving it a go. If you can't get hold of Nduja, then as I say, there's the Spanish sobrasada would substitute, I guess. But I don't think the sobrasada is quite as spicy as this. It's a bit like chorizo. But oh yes, I'm going to enjoy this. Anyway, I hope you will enjoy this too, and please leave a comment below if you give it a go, and let me know what you think for a non-traditional carbonara. And as usual, please like, comment and subscribe. That will be massive if you could do that, and I will see you in the next video. So as ever, peace and love, my friends. Peace and love.